Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change region or server on Rocket League on PC. This works also on PS5, PS4, wherever you are playing. Just make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. Now, in order to change the region, all you have to do is just click play button. After that, choose the one you want to play, like for example casual. After that, you're going to see regions at the top, arenas and regions. So we want to click on regions. Then you're going to choose the region which you want to have. For example, this one or whichever basically you want. Then you're going to close it. And then you're going to click on the game and it will start launching. And basically you can go ahead and play on that region you have chosen. So that's pretty much it how it works. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.